Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to apply for a free EIN number for LLS. So first of all, once you go and open any browser that you want, you may want to go to the URL section and you would like to go to the official IRS website. So just type irs.gov and you should find yourself in their website right away. So of course, an IAN or IEN, which is an employer identification number, is issued by the Internal Revenue Service, and it's of course 100% free. So if there's any websites that asks you to pay, think it's a third-party service and it's not required. So you'll have to keep that in mind. So basically, you would like to go to this website, irs.gov, and you'd like to search for IRS EIN application. So if you don't know where you can find this, basically you can just go to the file here, click on it, and go to not individuals, go to business and self-employed. And normally here you should find employer ID number or EIN. If you go and click on that, as you can see, so you'll find here on this page, like the EIN confirmation, who needs that, and before you apply, ways to apply for an EIN. This is what we want, so you can just go click on that. And here you can see ways to apply for EIN. You can go and apply now and get an EIN now, free directs from the IRS. You can just go and click on that option, or you can fax a Form SS4 application for employer identification number to this exact number if you want to. You can also do mail if you want to. For us, let's just go and apply online. So if you click on apply online here, let me just go back or go down here a bit. And as you can see here, it will explain to you how it works. So you'll need to complete the application in one session. You can't save it for later, and it will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity. So you'll need to start over if you pass the 15 minutes mark. And of course, you will need to print your EIN confirmation letter for your records. And who can use this tool? Basically, here are a lot of people who can use it, and you can't use this if you are one of those. And of course, here you'll find what you need. So you'll need the business entity type and your social security number or taxpayer ID. And if you're a third-party designee, you must have a signed authorization to apply. So for us, we'll have just to click on apply for an EIN. And here we go. We can just go here and read the informations that's going to be necessary, like about the EIN assistance and restrictions, which are very important and important information before you begin. Or before you begin, because do I need an EIN or do I need a new EIN if you already have one? So if you want, you can ignore all of that and click on begin application now. And here you go. You can start your application. You'll have to fill up your legal structure, identity, addresses, additional details, review and submit, and EIN assignments, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.